To turn on or turn off adapt sound in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, tap sounds and vibration, and then scroll down sounds and vibration screen, tap sounds quality and effects. Next, on adapt sound, tap switch until Bluetooth turn on, or tap switch until Bluetooth turn off, or tap adapt sound and then tap switch until on to turn on, or tap switch until off to turn off. Adapt sound gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you are wearing headphones. Choose a preset that matches your age, or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound profile. Okay, can select in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.